Ooh, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school tutorial. It's going to be like a neutral, simple, easy to achieve look. I barely even use eyeshadow. I barely even use anything. It might be a talk through or it might be a voiceover. I'm not sure yet, but either way, please enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. I know I've not been the most consistent, but I want to say thank you to everyone who has been with me, who has stood by me. You guys are the best. And yeah, please show me support by liking the video, commenting down below, and also subscribing. It will mean the world to me. Without much talking, let's get right into this tutorial, guys. I'm sorry, I have to turn on the air conditioning. So guys, I'm using a mixture of my Lancome and my Kat Von D foundation. The key to this look is to try to be light-handed, because back to school makeup looks, it's like what's it called, it's more like a lightweight foundation coverage. You don't want a full coverage that will be heavy for you throughout the whole day, so you want to make sure that you're really light-handed when it comes to applying these foundations and these cream products. So I know most of you are going to ask what was the white stuff on my face. It was Milk of Magnesia. My Becca primer is finished and things are quite hard in the economy right now, so I'm going to get a new one. But before then, I'm using the Milk of Magnesia. I'm not saying you should use it, I'm not saying you shouldn't, I'm just saying that is what I use in case you were wondering what the white stuff on my face was. So I'm going to be using the concealer. This concealer is Beautiful Bronze. It's like my shade in the concealer, but a bit darker. I'm going to go on cover up those spots. So this is why I said this will give you that like full coverage finish but without the heavy look. So I use really little foundation and I'm just going in even like all around my mouth. I'm just blending that out. This brush I'm using is from Nuban Beauty, by the way. I love it for foundation. To highlight, I'm going to take Fawn concealer. So now I'm using my Black Opal cream contour stick. This is in the shade Carob and it's quite old, but this is what I'll be using for my contour. So a trick I learned is to use this, to take this and like rub it on the back of my hand. Okay, let's do it here. So it warms it up, and I use my beauty blender to contour my face the way I would normally do and like set all those areas and all those places. So that is what I'll be doing. I've taken some here and I'll use that. It's going to make sure I don't have a harsh line, and it makes my contour super easy. So I like to extend it also to my forehead immediately as I'm contouring, and to the sides of my face, so you can see the difference when I contour. You can tell that this side looks slimmer than this side. If you can, comment down below. But like, it's that easy and I'm done contouring. Don't like the one line ish. I focus more on this area here, then I just bring the rest like down, so it gives me that like chiseled side of the face. I love to use this powder to set my under eyes. If you haven't gotten this powder by now, like, what are you waiting for? I mean, it's too bomb. Like, I'm almost done with this one. I already ordered for more. It's too bomb. But anyway, I'm going to be using this to set my under eye. You already know how to set, so I'm going to speed through that and also show you guys what I use to contour, and then I'll be right back for the eyes. I'm always using my CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer and Iman powder. I've hit pan with these two, so you already know that they are bomb. And my Eye Candy Cosmetics brush set. I'll be using my powder from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics, and I'm using this shade here. These brows were a struggle to do. I intended not to like take so much time to do them, but man, like even till now, one is still higher than the other one. I decided to just give up on them anyhow they look. Accept it. Take it like that. Brows are not twin their sisters. I know you've heard that 1,000,001 times, but in this case I've chosen to embrace it. For highlighter, I'll be using this Dose of Colors and there's a Perkins Mirror May. And then I'm also extending it to my eyelid also. This is like my favorite combo now to layer Mirror May and Jackie Aina Artist Couture La Peach. So I'm just tapping that on there. That is done. I'm going to go in with my Hydra Glow Spray by So Pro Cosmetics. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using just browns and oranges. So I'm using that orange color from the Morphe palette underneath my eyes, and the brown one to do like an eyeliner thing. This eye is super simple and it's made up mainly of highlighters. Then I'm applying lashes. These lashes are from Baby Beauty. I think they're in the style something tiara also, but I really love them. They are flirty and full. And yeah, I'm going to go into lips now. I'm going to talk about the lip combo once I'm done with this part, but the lip sticks I'm using, this one is from Teos Ink. It's like a rich brown lipstick. I really love this for lining lips for most of my lipsticks. And then I'm just doing like a mixture concoction of like lip gloss, the nude lipstick, and the orangey lipstick. So that's what I did, and I'll use that in the middle of my lips. Yeah. Okay, so for my lips, I use the Zaron lip stick in Buttercup. I put in a little bit of this Vicky from J1 Beauty. It's like a orange lipstick, and this is a very beautiful neutral nude. I love, like, this is my favorite nude lip combo now for myself and for my clients. I use my Teos Ink or Teos Beauty brand lipstick in Gold Coast to line my lips. You will see how I did it in the video, but these three here plus gloss, this gloss from Sleek, all of them like my favorite combo at the moment. Most times I don't use this orange one, it's just these three. So if you want to check them out, you can. Yeah, so my students, that completes the finished look. Don't mind me, but I really think these glasses are so cute. They're from Gifted Clothing, by the way. I really like it actually. Anywho, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I think it's super easy and to achieve. Without the whole explanation and all of that, it wouldn't have taken me so long. And you can also do this look without lashes, obviously. Definitely you can do it without lashes, just lots of mascara, because the flirty lashes are what sells the look, and the glow too. So bathe in highlighter and flirty lashes. So yeah, also part of the video will be voiceover, because there was no light, and the generating set was really loud, so I had to just like stop recording the sound and do a voiceover for you guys, even though it would have been too loud for your ears, too loud. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so sorry if it seems like it's all over the place, but I think this look is really appropriate for a back to school look. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've said that like a million times. Please comment down below your thoughts on this video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I know you've heard this a million times, but I need you to actually do it for me, please. If you stayed up until this point, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share my video to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Love each and every one of you so much. Bye. Mwah.